Hey y'all, hey, it's Brittany718 and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see weekly videos from me. Alright, so this video is a little, well, it's a lot different than what you guys are accustomed to see me put up. And I just want to give you guys a brief update on my little hiatus. No, I am not pregnant. I repeat, no, I am not pregnant. Now that we got that out the way, for the past few weeks / months, I've been feeling like utter shit. I've been feeling sad, I've been feeling lonely, I've been feeling like what the fuck is really going on. And it's so weird because I know you guys see me post pictures on Instagram and post pictures, you know, or just interact on Snapchat or whatever the case may be is. And that entire time, yeah, I've just been feeling like crap. Even to the point where like I stopped working out. I've been eating like my feelings away and I've gained back weight. Now, don't get it twisted. I'm still a hot gal. The men them like it. I never fight it. But I'm not where I want to be. So I started back working out, yes, but I was feeling so crappy, guys, to the point where like I would put on a facade to like get through the day. And a lot of times I don't think anybody but my boyfriend knows what I was going through. Only because like I think I threatened to break up with him a few times in that moment. And with him, he was like, it's so weird because yes, he gets on my nerves, but he was like, no, like what's going, like no, let's figure this out. Why are you, no. We were able to talk it out and he understands a lot of how I've been thinking and how I've been acting. And like, yeah, I feel bad that I was, you know, treating him that way, you know, but I'm so appreciative that he was understanding and he still is understanding. And we're able to work through things. Since like moving down here in December, it'll be 4 years that I've been in Florida and I've been feeling lonely. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like, it's so hard when all of my like really, really close friends aren't here and they're in New York. Now, I'm so grateful because I've recently made some friends and love these two dearly. Like, I really do. And like, I'm so thankful because it's like, yes, I have my family, but that's always going to be my family. My family is going to be there no matter what. But, you know, sometimes you want to have friends outside of, you know, your family. And so I was feeling sad. I was like questioning me moving down here. I just wanted to cry every single day. Like, and my boyfriend was like, what's wrong with you? Like, why do you, like, what? Like, but it's so hard sometimes to try to like use the right language and tell somebody how you're feeling without being judged or being told you're being too sensitive or you're in your feelings. It's like, no wonder a lot of times I keep things in. Like, I keep things in so much to the point where all of a sudden I just blow up and just spaz, like on, like, you know, or just cry because I can't really like say what it is that I'm feeling, you know? Yeah, it's been tough because nobody knows that I've been feeling this way. So yes, now that this video is going to be coming out, I'm pretty sure my mom, my aunt, and them are gonna be hitting me up like, what's going on? And I'm just like, I'm fine, don't worry. But that was my answer to everything. Everything's like, Brittany, how you doing? I'm fine. And I wouldn't be fine. Type of things where I would cry in the shower. So this way when I come out the shower, it doesn't look like I was crying. I'm doing better. I'm doing much better. Like, I feel better. I'm starting to find my happy, and I know that sounds so cliche, but I am starting to find my happy, and I'm enjoying life now, you know? I think everybody just needs to make sure and try to take care of themselves, you know? find something that's helpful to you, and just take some time and find what makes you happy. Because trying to find happiness in other people and other things, it's not gonna work. I don't know. I'm much better. I'm much better. So I do want to like deeply apologize for my YouTube hiatus, but I'm back. Okay. I've been journaling. I've journaled since I was like young, so that's helped me to let my shit out. I urge anyone that's been not feeling like themselves to, you know, maybe talk to somebody. And I know this is so weird because I haven't spoken to anybody like in my personal life, but I'm talking to you guys. And it's like, I don't know, sometimes it's easier to talk to strangers. I don't want to start crying on here because, you know, I'm so emotional. Reach out to your friends and family if you feel like something is going on and, you know, you're not really sure, you can't quite put your finger on it. Like, reach out. They may not tell you right away, or the hell, they may not even tell you at all that something's bothering them. But just let them know that you're there, and if they do want to talk, that you're there to listen. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy this type of video. I'm not saying that every single video I'm going to make going forward is going to be like a lifestyle video about my feelings and things like that. But I hope you guys do appreciate me coming out here and just like, you know, giving you a little heads up as to where I've been and what I've been going through. Yeah, because I don't need to get deep into everything that's been going on with me, but I just wanted to at least come on here and apologize because I feel bad because a lot of you guys were reaching out to me to make sure I was okay and that you haven't seen any new videos from me, and I just wasn't in the mood. Like, I needed to be happy in order to put myself out there because I don't want to record a video and I just feel like shit because then I'm going to give y'all shit. You feel me? And I don't want that. Anywho, we're gonna wrap this video up because it's getting a little long. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button because I hope you made it through this long, you know? So hit that thumbs up button because, yeah, why not? Subscribe if you're not. Tell your mama and them I said to subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon. Later.